Nigerian genius.
This is Team Yabate.
Good day, everyone. This is Team IBU. My name is Ibrahim Amin Mobi, and with me here is Stanley Obi.
We are the Team FET Mina.
Hi, everyone. This is Sumana Daniel Peter representing Team UNIU live at Clintonel Innovation Center for the Engineering Genius Contest 2023.
Around 85 to 90%. Just within the features,
Started with the presentation. We didn't have the visual brain teasers we had. Our brain teasers ended yesterday, so we are being told to present, to give the progress of what we've done yesterday and what we had in plan to do today.
We are having an issue, and the issue we are having is that we don't want to write the whole of the program and put it into it, because of course everything is important. You can write the whole thing, everything will be extra. So we are just writing each unit and testing them individually.
Today earlier we have a presentation in the morning session. That's when we came on to present our work so far, our journey so far, and we actually did go to present to the judges and show them how we are trying to work as a team to bring up the best of this family robots.
Also, there are also some advancements in our own plans. Most of our devices that we have been putting together to computer aided designs, we have been able to implement some of it through the computer aided manufacturing machines like the 3D printer and the adaptable machines. But the major issue we have all of that.
So far today, we had a presentation where we discussed about the progress of our activities so far in this place, and our presentation covers the detail of what we have been doing before now, where we are able to let them understand that so far we are in about 80% of our projects in the morning, and the project has been going well so far according to the objective, which says an alternative, that is a robotic machine that will serve as an alternative way of controlling insecurity over farmers, so that these jobs the farmers do by themselves will be done by the robotic machine, and which we have been on that, and we are progressing so fine. Yes, well, we have been facing some challenges, yes, in the sense that most especially logistic, because some of the components we need in order to put this together are actually not readily available within this environment. We have to like order for it, and ordering you have to pay some shipping, and like that is way billing. You have to pay some amount of money in order to get it, and all this is not considered inside the amount given to us in order to carry out this budget. But we are trying our best to see how we can make use of the local available materials around.
For our progress today, we actually did not go into a brain teaser session. We were only asked to use the time for our project, and also we switch into presentation. Based on presentation, we were given 10 minutes to talk on our progress so far, and the target was clarity, teamwork, achievement, and plan.
We have refused to work individually as adaptable motion machine. We work as a team to achieve this. So for henceforth, we will place up that the committee to come up with something good to solve the Nigerian crisis of food. Now, for our
In the afternoon,
success,
we were visited by the mentors. They asked us how far our progress has been so far, and they asked us for if any challenges we are facing that which they can assist us with. It's really been nice. It's really nice because it gives us it lifts some burden upon us. They are really there, and they are always there to like assist us in any challenge we are facing. You can see we are still currently working on a project which is to make a farming robot. A robot that is intended to replace a farmer in a farm so as to reduce the risk of the farmers getting hurt by the present insurgents, and also increase agricultural activity and increase food production. So we started this project last week Thursday, although we couldn't get materials very quickly. So now we have at least almost all of the materials we have, and we've been working day and night tirelessly, and we still have a couple of 4 or 3 days to complete this project before the presentation. So far so good. We've been testing each unit of this robot, and we've been making significant improvements. Although we have issues, every day we always have issues, and we always look for means to solve everything.
Intelligent design is our system. But the humans are kind of what for us to come up with the printing and the laser cutting. So that's the big challenge. And then as well the logistics. But that might be our own part. I'm kind of working for the person that is doing
do you work in the night? Okay, I think that we should be fixed. Maybe that is night. Okay. Another thing I want to ask is, do you need support?
Yeah, we need support, especially in terms of technical guidance. That the ones that we look for.
The challenges we are getting so far is not that much. Actually, it's just about the printings and all that, and some of the components that we came to buy, and some might not are not functioning very well. So we are actually working to change them, being more placement on that. I think that's all we have as a challenge for now. Well, it's very good actually to bring such kind of project actually, because this is one of the things that is trying to kill the agricultural practice in the country, and we are trying to bring a solution to it. As engineers, that's what our work is to. And the progress actually now, as you can see, we're still compiling the components. Here it's our work, and here you can see the logo of our school. We 3D printed this, and also this is a laser cutting. We're trying to compile our product to see the farming robot. Our robot actually is a robot that we designed to farm, to plant, see it, to water the farmland.
Yeah, we have done part of the programming aspect, control system, that will be able to collect it from the sensor, then give out the reaction to that to perform. So just, I think we are almost done with the system, 70% of the programming, we will 20%.
And if you can see, most of our projects were printed, like we 3D print, we laser cut, and we do so many things. We even fabricate. There are some metallic parts that we need to form in the fabrication shop. So far we are progressing, and at this level I think we are, I can say that we are about 90% done with our project, because it's just mere components to bring together and to start assembling. Mentors around, yeah, we appreciate their concern, because they are actually coming around to check on us, to ask for our challenges, to see where they can support. Yeah, they are doing well. That is very good, and that is one of the things I like about this whole program, where you have access to human resources. I think is what we need as young engineers entirely we need.
Based on support, we had support through the mentors visit. They came around to give us support in the sense that as industry experts, they advise us on things to do and what not to do. We gave them our challenges and they told us way to come out of it.
So the actual robot, we should be making the farm production of instead of 1 we should be able to 8 to 25.
So after that, we went on with our project. We have actually done 3D printing of some of the components. We've gotten the part we ordered online, and we are still assembling some of the parts based on design. We've gone so far to the point that we are at the simulation stage. But however, the coding is just remaining for us to cross our T's and dot our I's. But for tomorrow, we'll be doing total assembly. For today, we are still going to continue till the dead of the night, because we want to achieve this. We want to solve the posing problem of Nigeria, which is food insecurity. Food insecurity in the sense that if there's no food, it will skyrocket into other crises. Say hunger will make a good man to go and steal. So we don't want that. We want to solve that problem because the farmers in the north are faced with Boko Haram insurgency. So at that point, we will create a robot, a farming robot that will farm. The farming in the sense that it will dig, it will plant, that is seed, and it will cover the ground. Also do watering. We want to do that with the help of the knowledge we've gathered here, and before now, we will solve that problem and make the robot at an affordable price, very cheap, that even the common man can afford.
Okay, once again, I would like to say thank you to everyone, every of our supporters out there, our classmates, our friends, and our families. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for your votes. Your vote really counts, and we really, really would appreciate more of these votes coming in, because this vote is actually till the end of the program. Thank you very, very much. And I would like to say thank you to the organizers of this program. Thank you, Clintonel Innovation Center. Thank you for every of other sponsors around this.
Also, finally, I will say thank you to Nigerian engineers for this kind of event. I pray my school will come over next year to participate more in this and to win, not to just come and participate, and also to win this challenge. And thank you, Clintonel. Thank you, Nigerian engineers. And thank you to our fans also for putting us through, and thank you for the 10 points you help us to end bonus today. Thank you.
I appreciate the organizers of this program, especially the Nigerian genius. Yes, I appreciate them, and the CIC itself. We appreciate their effort in bringing this innovation, because this is an innovation. Yes, there are so many organizations and engineering platforms that are beyond this level, but they never thought of something like this. But CIC is able to bring this as a goal to the nation. We are like calling for support. Please try support Team FU Team Mina. We are here to do the best we can to make sure we come out as a winner. So thank you very much. I appreciate you all.
We will be thanking the management of this program for giving us the place to stand, because we would have done little if not for the knowledge we gather from here. So we thank Clintonel Innovation Center, the CEO in particular, Mr. Tochukwu, for coming up with such idea. We thank Nigerians at large for supporting us. Thank you and God bless you.
The Nigerian genius.